Good day, Cavite home buyers and property seekers. My name is Ephraim, your Cavite broker. For today's video, andito tayo sa Amara Residences here in General Trias, Cavite. For this unit, we are featuring one of their model houses, which is their Alexandria house model. Ito po ay isang single detached na bahay na nakatayo sa isang 84 square meter lot area. Ang laki po ng bahay ay 63 square meters. Very unique ito kasi for an 80 square meter lot, 84 square meter lot, pwede na tayo magkaroon ng single detached na unit. Ito po ay complete finish upon turnover. And meron tayong open car garage over here. So si client na ho ang maglalagay ng bubong nito once na turnover sa kanya. So possible extension siya ng balcony natin para maging covered yung ating garage. So for the 84 square meters, starts po yan dito sa ating poste. And up to here po. Sa gilid ng bahay, may bahagyang espasyo pa ho tayo. Yeah. So again, it's a single detached house. Itong laki ng bahay natin, again, it's 63 square meters. This particular model house ay dressed up model unit. Pero again, as I've mentioned, complete finish ho tayo upon turnover, kaya painted na po yung interior walls. Ang ating naman pong sahig ay naka-tiles na po. Patanggal lang po natin yung ating mga furniture like yung mga sofa set and mirrors natin, but everything else is complete finish na po. So I'll be touring you sa loob ng ating unit. For the kitchen area, kasama na po itong kitchen counter with sink upon turnover. So again, this is the view from the kitchen. Yan yung main door natin. Over here, dito rin po tayong ating hagdan, which is, ang kagandahan po dito, buhos po yung ating hagdan. So, it's concrete, matibay ho yan, and steel railings kasama. Yung ilalim naman natin ng hagdan, pwede natin i-convert into storage or lagyan natin ng table for a small study area ng bata. Dito din, meron tayong back door, which is again, since 84 square meters at single detached, may space pa tayo sa gilid, magkabilang gilid, at sa likod. So nakita niyo po yung poles, hanggang dyan pa po yung espasyo ng ating lot area. So may pakonting espasyo pa tayo dito for pwede nyong sagarin tong likod na to para magkaroon kayo ng covered laundry area or dirty kitchen. Pwede nyo, since pwede naman isagad sa likod pa. There. And over here, dito yung ating common toilet and bath. Which is nakalock lang po sa ngayon. So again, this complete finish na huyang toilet and bath. May shower, toilet, and sink upon turnover. Let's go up sa ating Alexandria house model. Over here sa ating second floor, as you can see, ang kagandahan ho dito sa ating hagdan, high ceiling siya. So, ang ganda ho tingnan ng stairways natin. And over here, we have 2 bedrooms and another common toilet and bath. So, similar nito yung common toilet and bath natin sa ground floor, which is again, sarado lang. So, we have our shower. Tiled na po yung shower area. We have your toilet and our sink. Over here, we have 2 bedrooms. This is our first bedroom. We have your window here. Perfect for a single bedroom. And you have a space here for your cabinet. And over here, this is the master's. So, since this is our master's, mas spacious po yung ating bedroom. Kasya po dito ang queen size bed, or a twin bed for this instance. Double size bed. And meron tayong mini balcony. So, as I've mentioned, kung gusto naman ho ni client maging covered yung ating garage area, ay pwede naman ho nitong i-extend yung ating balcony para maging covered yung ating garage. So again, this is a complete finish. Buhos ang construction. Sa baba po, naka-tiles na tayo sa sahig. Dito naman ho sa taas, naka-vinyl finish ho tayo. Now, some basic details for our Alexandria house model here in Amara Residences. For this particular unit, our Alexandria is the smallest house model na meron tayo sa ngayon. Ang laki po ng bahay ay 63 square meters at ang laki naman po ng ating lupa ay 84 square meters. Actually guys, itong particular house model natin na video ngayon ay isang ready for occupancy unit na. So perfect ito sa mga gustong makalipat agad. Price-wise, magkano ba itong ating Alexandria house model? For a single detached complete finish house, ang presyo po natin ay naglalaro sa 3.7 to 3.8 million lamang po. Again, single detached na po yan at complete finish na. For this particular RFO unit, ang ating pong reservation fee ay 50,000. Pag pre-selling naman po, ibig sabihin, gagawin pa lang po yung bahay. Perfect ito kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali. Ang ating pong reservation fee ay 20,000 pesos lang. For the down payment naman po, kung pre-selling po ang ating kukunin, 12 months to pay po at no interest. At kung ready for occupancy naman po, available pa ito sa 6 months down payment for no interest din po. Financing-wise, bank financing naman po ang pinaka-financing term natin. At ang kagandahan po dito guys, developer-assisted po ang ating bank financing. Sa ngayon, China Bank yung pinaka-main bank na ino-offer ng ating developer. Again, location-wise, ang kagandahan dito ho sa Amara, flood-free po ito. At located po ito sa boundary lang po ng General Trias. Actually ho, 5 to 10 minutes away lang po ito sa Tanza 13 Road. Kaya perfect po ito sa mga kliyente natin na naghahanap ng house na malapit lang po sa Tanza area or 13 area. Gated community din po tayo, kaya exclusive yung ating subdivision. And we have amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, syempre po, gated siya, may guardhouse po tayo. So if you are looking for quality houses, single attached at single detached na houses here in General Trias, Cavite, then you should check out our subdivision here, which is Amara Residences in Barangay Pasong Kawayan 2, General Trias, Cavite. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng quality house here in General Trias, Cavite, then you should check out Amara Residences here in Pasong Kawayan 2, General Trias, Cavite. And we'll be happy to assist you. Please message us on our contact details below or contact us via our official Facebook page at Quality Homes, and our friendly property agents will be happy to assist you. Again, this is Ephraim, your Cavite broker. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.